Oh my days. Oh my fucking days. We outside. Thank you for clicking. Thank you for joining in. And for my 30 peeps in this channel, thank you for y'all. For the reason I keep getting motivated to add up some more, get some more content for y'all. I hope things zitakuwa mzuri for y'all. So let's just hope there'll be something nice for y'all, like kutakuwa na content, you know. While hoping we're doing something. Wakati kutakuwa na anything, whenever I'm outside or doing something, I'll try and pull it up for y'all to see what's going on. Msishangae kwani mdeni aliendanga wapi? Where did she go? She started the channel not even before people became many. She's gone, showing us nothing. You know, msi complain. Just wait a little bit. I'm saying like it's on your mind, like you say it frequently. That'd be a lie, right? It'd be a lie for sure. But talk about jobless. We're back on being without a job. But we'll figure that out. I know we'll figure it out by the grace of God. Let me show you something. So you come itakuwa visible. It's like a foggy. Okay. This is a foggy situation. Like it's kuna jua but kuna baridi at the same time. It's just small sunshine. And for somebody like me, I'm lucky to be able to receive the sun. Not sitaja na jua. You know. Sina kitu kusema. Bye. Asanteni by the way kwa view, like, share and subscribe.